Hey, what do you guys want to do for that video that Coach wants us to do? What if we did like a documentary or something about ocean baseball? Yeah, let's show off our swag. Swag. Moxie.
Guys, what's going on over there? Get stretching.
No way, guys. We should do a Bollywood. Dude, what's Bollywood?
You know, those dance moves from India.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. Bollywood swag.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. Yeah, that'll be awesome.
No.
Why aren't you guys stretching yet? Let's go.
You know what we have to do.
Con los terroristas.